Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Lansing, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is a move that is more than 50 miles from your current address. We comply with all the state and federal rules and regulations and relocation. We have valid licenses to offer both interstate and interstate moves, and we work with the best movers. They are careful and organized. Our staff is efficient and easy to work with. Our moving trucks have spacious compartments that secure your belongings when moving. Our drivers are also professionals. They're skilled in moving your belongings over long distances and also ensure your belongings get to the new location without damages and at the stipulated time. To cover risks, we have put in place adequate insurance. Moving within Lansing can be a big challenge. We have experience moving around busy cities and provide fast and accessible moves in Lansing. We have taken this time to study road networks and different routes, so we know your way around the city. Local moves are less expensive than long-distance moves. However, 3 Movers provides the cheapest local moves. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lansing moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.